Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn synonyms from the objective part of the CSS 2025 Prestige and Composition paper in a simple, clear, and engaging way. The synonym of frabjous is wonderful. English meaning delightful, full of joy, extremely wonderful. Urdu meaning शानदार, नहायत खुशगवार, खुशी से भरपूर. How to memorize it? You open your result and it says passed with distinction. You scream, bro, this is frab joy. Fab plus joy is equal to extreme happiness movement. The synonym of accubation is reclining. English meaning the act of reclining or lying down. Urdu meaning लेटने की हालत, आराम की हालत. To memorize this, think about you come home after a long exam, throw your bag, grab a lemon water, and collapse on the sofa. School uniform still on, phone in the hand, scrolling silently. You say, please don't talk to me. I am accubation. The synonym of levitate is float. English meaning to rise or float in the air. Urdu meaning हवा में मुअल्लक होना, तैरना. To memorize this, think about that you have dropped your phone in water, but instead of sinking, it just stays up. You're like, is this levitating? The synonym of sibylline is enigmatic. English meaning mysterious, obscure, hard to interpret. Urdu meaning पुरस्कार mubham. To memorize this, think that teacher says your result will reflect your efforts in a very confusing manner. You're like, what does that even mean? That's confusing. Indirect statement is sibylline. The synonym of macadamized is paved. English meaning covered or surfaced with stones, specifically road. Urdu meaning is सड़क को पक्का करना, हमवार करना. To memorize this, think that you are in Karachi. Suddenly road goes from broken to smooth like butter. You instantly notice, oh, they have finally fixed this road. That smooth finish is macadamized. The synonym of finagle is wheedle. English meaning to obtain by trickery or persuasion. Urdu meaning चालाकी से हासिल करना, भुला फसला कर लेना. To memorize this, think of a classmate who always wants your notes. Yeah, please, you are the only one who can save me. You are the one I can trust. And etc. etc. 5 minutes later, you have given them everything. That emotional trickery is equal to finagle. The synonym of desiderium is craving. English meaning strong desire or longing. Urdu meaning shadid khwahish or arzu. To memorize this, think that it's midnight, you suddenly want chai plus samosa so bad, nothing else will satisfy you. That intense pull is desiderium. Also, you can imagine giant drum full of biryani. Desi food in a drum is equal to desiderium. The synonym of amanuensis is scribe. English meaning a person who writes or types what another dictates. Urdu meaning katib, लिखने वाला, मददगार. To memorize this, think about a teacher who dictates notes very fast. One student is writing everything for everyone, who is a fast writer obviously. The official writer of the class is amanuensis. The synonym of cremulent is acceptable. English meaning acceptable or adequate. Urdu meaning काबिल कबूल, मुनासिब. To memorize this, think that you have submitted an assignment last minute. Teacher says, it's okay, not amazing, not bad, just acceptable. That is cremulent. The synonym of propinquity is closeness. English meaning is nearness in space or relationship. Urdu meaning kurbat nazdiki. To memorize this, think about your examination days when you get a chance to sit with your best friend and you whisper, good, we are so close today. that physical nearness is equal to propinquity. Also, you don't always have to rely only on stories to memorize words. You can tie them to your own life, familiar situations, or even scenes from the movies. When a word connects to something personal or visual, it sticks much faster. Think of it like giving each word a memory anchor instead of just a definition. Here are a few simple, engaging examples to show how this works. Here, I am associating a word macadamize to a real life situation that is happening nearby. It will help me to memorize this word and its synonyms in a better way. Now imagine that you have achieved something extraordinary in your life, but these aunties are not pleased yet. They are passing comments like, yeah, it's cromulent, nothing amazing, but it works, just acceptable. Hope this helped. Follow along for more quick, memorable word hacks.